Hello to all my children. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine. So today we are going to create an origami craft which will suit all our little children, maybe like even 4 years old. It will suit you, right? So what we need today is a paper like this, because we are making 2 sailboats on the sea. That will be on the sea. Now this is the paper that I took, a wrapping paper with a little pattern on it. So this is what we are going to do now. We are going to fold it into half so that we get a triangular shape. So the pattern comes to the top, remember that. Now open it up, and can you see this central line? And then there's a little crease there like that. So bring these 2 edges towards the middle. It won't be hard. Be careful. Just make sure that all of these lines are aligned. That is, they come on top of each other and they don't stick out from any other point. Now press it down like this. Okay. So you have to be careful with the paper. Make sure the paper looks good and it's not crumpled or anything like that. Now can you see the sailboat sails? Now let's make the body of the boat. This little corner here, fold it in, and then again fold it up a bit, and finally fold it up again. Okay, so can you see how the sailboat is coming into beam? Now open those flaps up and push in the 2 sides inside. Okay, and then bring that little lower part to the top, fold it in, and bring the 2 side flaps into the middle. Again, 2 flaps are there, right? Let's make another like this. Okay, so I'm going to teach you slowly how to do this. Don't think it's hard. We'll look at it in an easier way. We'll do it in an easier way. Fold it in half like this, so you get a triangle. Open it up. Take this corner and come and meet the middle line. And then take this edge as well and bring it to the middle so that both of these edges are meeting each other, which we call aligning. Right? And then if it's hard, you don't have to worry about it. Just keep it like this. You don't just fold it down a bit. That's it. So you can have it like that. Now that we have 2 sailboats, let's get them to sail in the sea. So for that we need a blue piece of paper. We'll need a little old newspaper as well. What we do is, we are going to keep it like that. If it has to be blue in color, this paper piece that you took. Now, I want you to tear little pieces like this, long stripes like this, from this blue colored newspaper. You don't have to wait for anyone. I know you are perfectly capable of doing this. Okay, now these are actually, what do you think? These are the waves of the sea, right? So, okay. Now let's make little waves, okay? So some other little waves. Now let's place these on the paper and see what I'm going to do. Taking a blue crayon, and I'm going to position this paper in such a way that when I color around it like this, it'll look like waves. See how it looks? Keep it, and then now you can rotate it completely and then color again on the outer edges of the piece of paper. See, you get different sort of shapes and they look very nice, don't you think? Okay, now take these little pieces of paper. I want you to color on the outer edges of the paper. But it's okay if you get colors on the newspaper itself. I mean, you're going to throw it away, right? So color again on the outer edges. Do it as much as possible because you get different shapes of waves then. Make it very dark, the way you draw, the way you color the waves. So it'll look like a real wavy, real moving sea. Draws onto this side as well. See how it looks? It looks like a really big sea, right? And use some glue now. You can even shorten the waves, the length of those stripes. And paste it like this. Right, can you see the waves of the sea? Let's take our glue again and paste a sailboat onto this sea. You can put the sailboat amongst the waves like that. Lift up a little wave, piece of newspaper used as a wave, and you can push it in. And let's take the other sailboat and paste it as well. So it can go beneath our first sailboat. If you feel that there are a lot of space remaining, we can paste other little pieces of waves as well, which are our newspaper's little strips. All these little pieces you can just go and paste these little pieces onto. You can use different other colors as well. Maybe you can color those places if you wish. Use some other color if you want, another shade of blue, and fill in the blanks. See how it looks? It looks as if there are two sailboats on the sea. See how pretty it can look? It's not hard either. Now see, I think you all are all very happy with the sailboat and the waves and all this beautiful sea. I can almost see you smiling after making this origami creation. I will see you soon. Goodbye, children.